everybody. My name is Alexa, and we are watching Alexa's show. I like bubblegum, and guess what? They are round and they're different colors, and when you eat them, they are good. And you could look at one at my cup, and we got one in here. We have red, green, orange, pink, and that is all lit. Nail polish. This is my favorite. I got lots of nail polish. Sprinkleish. Sprinkleish again. I got sprinkleish and more sprinkleish. Blue. Purple. Some different red. And glitter again. Blue, light blue. Broken purple, light purple, pink, and skin color, and that is all lit. This is how I paint my nails. I paint my nails like when you get this, you do this, and you do this. And we do that. Anyway, put this down, and we paint our nails like this. And I put it back in. And look at it. See my nail? And that's how you paint your nails. I'm gonna wear my help. I'm gonna help. I'm gonna wear my glasses. I'm gonna help. See? And I think we're gonna read a story. And look at me. My eye. I can actually see in these glasses, but these are not mine. These are my mommy's. She's not here. So, look it. Is it pretty? Mama. I have my agenda. See? There's my stuff. Let me show you up here. Can you see it? There's the smiley face. Again and again. I'm the student of the month. I got that one. that one. And that one and that one.
That's it for today's show. Thank you for watching.
And that's done. That's all it for today's show. And thank you for coming. Bye.
The Alexa Show!